You've probably seen those eye-catching ads for the 3-click Wi-Fi trick claiming you can earn $500 a day just by clicking a few buttons. No experience, no skills, just your Wi-Fi connection. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I decided to test it myself to see what's really going on behind the scenes. At first glance, the website looks polished and convincing, with promises of instant profits and testimonials showing people making thousands overnight. But once you start digging deeper, things start feeling a little off. The dashboards they show in ads don't match what you actually get after signing up. They look more like mock-ups than real earnings. Then there's the fact that most links and redirects go through affiliate tracking pages, meaning the real goal seems to be getting you to sign up for other offers rather than earning real money from this Wi-Fi trick. Some steps are left incomplete, and the process is vague. There's no clear explanation of where the money actually comes from or how the system generates it. It's like they're selling a dream with no solid foundation. I didn't find any actual income proof, and while it's not an outright scam, it's definitely not as effortless or magical as it's marketed to be. It feels like one of those cleverly packaged get-rich-quick schemes designed to make you believe success is just 3 clicks away, when in reality, there's a lot more complexity and risk involved. So before you get excited by the flashy numbers, know that the 3-click Wi-Fi trick might leave you with more questions than profits. Always research before you click, because not every Wi-Fi trick online is as simple as it sounds.